Hi everybody, Giovanni here.
And Jaden.
And today we're gonna make Herbalife donuts. But before we start, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on the video. So Jaden, what do we need today?
Stevia, vanilla extract, baking soda, almond flour, almond milk, ground cinnamon, and 3 eggs.
Alright, and then also we're gonna need your shakes and protein. We're gonna make 3 different flavors. So we're gonna do pralines, cookies and cream, and banana caramel, and also your protein. Alright, so let's begin and start mixing the products. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is add our dry ingredients. So 1 scoop of Formula 1 in each bowl. 1 scoop of protein. Also make sure that you preheat the oven to 350 degrees. You take your almond flour and then do 1/8 of a cup. You can use regular flour, however, almond flour is a little better. And do 1 tablespoon of the stevia. And then 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Alright, so you get all those dry ingredients, just mix it all up. Alright, go ahead and add your egg. You're going to add 1/8 of a cup of almond milk. As a reminder, this is the unsweetened one. All right. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And almost forgot, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. All right, now you're gonna whisk that all up together. And you want it to look just like that. All Alright, so you bring over your donut pan. You're going to want to fill them up almost about halfway. Depending on the size of your donut pan, it should make about 3 to 4 donuts. This one needs a little more. This one needs a little more. Every drop counts. Alright, so we're gonna pop these bad boys in the oven for about 8 to 9 minutes, and we'll be back on how they turn out. Now is the fun part, decorating. You can decorate it however you like. If you want to eat it plain, by all means. These donuts, no matter what you put on it, is delicious. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start decorating, and then we'll show you what the outcome is. Alright everybody, this is our finished product. So we have here, we have a Oreo donut, we have a s'mores donut, cinnamon toast donuts, Fruity Pebbles donuts, and a banana pudding donut. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And thank you.
Bye.
Peace.